Today's recipe is all about comfort breakfast. In fact, it is the most simple comfort breakfast you can make, or in fact dessert, depending on what time you fancy it. Today we are making French toast, otherwise known as eggy bread. I mean, I hope it's the same thing, I'm sure it is. So we're going to start by making our eggy mixture. 2 eggs are going straight in. 100 mils of whole milk, because we want to be luxurious about this. Then we're going to go in with some flavors, okay? So we're going to go in with half a teaspoon of vanilla bean paste. Yum, 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 yum. Let's go generous pinch of cinnamon and a slightly less generous pinch of nutmeg. That's everything. How easy. Okay, we're now going to give this a little whisk. Right. Next up, we're just going to soak our bread. So I've got some really lovely white bloomer, essentially. Go for as thick or thin as you want. I like to go slap bang in the middle because that way I get the egg all the way through. Then you're literally just going to chuck it into the mixture, flip it over, and do the same. Look how well covered that is. That's so good. Okay, so I'm going to go for a drizzle of oil into our pan, and I'm going to go in with some butter. I mean, who are we trying to kid here? It's going to be naughty. Now our bread is very heavily saturated, so let's get it in there. Yeah. And I'm going to get another slice in. Look at it. It's so crispy. Yes. Beautiful. And finish it off with some strawberries, some gorgeous drizzly honey, and a dusting of icing sugar. A little kind of treat to your toast in the morning. Time to eat. Favourite part of the video. Oh. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you want to see more from me, then why not subscribe? I'm here every single Tuesday. And if you fancy checking out more, Katie.Pix.com, or follow me on social media at the Katie.Pix on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. You know the drill. Until next time, thank you so much for tuning in. Bye. Come at me.